So you've gotten arrested and you are going through your case and your case has been dismissed. And you're worried because you're going to be, applying for jobs, you're going to be maybe applying for an apartment, maybe going back to school, and you don't want this on your record. I mean, who would want this on the record? You know that the jobs are going to do a background search. You know that the school is going to do a background search, apartments, and you don't want to pay your money, pay your fines or fees, to those entities and then be denied anyway, and you don't get your money back. So I wanted to tell you about what's called an expunction. If you've been through a case starting from traffic tickets all the way up to, felonies, if your case was dismissed or you've gone to trial and you were found not guilty, your case was dismissed, you are eligible for an expunction. And that expunction can help you to get your life back. It can help you to get back to the place you were, walking in the same shoes you were in before any of this ever happened. The way an expunction works is we file a petition for you, and that petition is sent to the court. The clerks get it, and then the district attorney's office or the opposing counsel, which is usually the state, will review it. They will likely do a search of your history prior to this expunction being filed. And if they don't have any objections, then they will sign off on it. They'll agree. It then goes to the judge in the court, and the judge can review it. And if the state has signed off on it and we have signed it, then the judge is inclined to do so as well. Sometimes you may walk into a situation where you file for an expunction, but you are currently charged with something, or you just concluded another case that was not dismissed. Well, that doesn't mean that you won't be eligible for an expunction, and it doesn't necessarily mean that your expunction will be denied, but it does cause concern. So if you run into that situation, you definitely want to work with a lawyer that has experience in doing this type of thing. The process, going back to when the judge gets it, he can sign off on it, and it becomes an order, and that order is sent out to all of the arresting agencies. It's sent to the Department of Public Safety in your jurisdiction, as well as to several other agencies, and your lawyer will be trained in expunctions, and we'll know where to send it. There are between 5 and 12 or 14 different agencies or entities that we may want to get a copy of that order. Once it's all done, everyone seals your record and it is hidden from the public, and you can go about your life and you can get your life back. If you need any help with this, or if you have any additional questions, please feel free to give us a call. Thank you.